Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode problem number of ways to split a string. So given a binary string as a string consists only zeros and ones, we can split as into three non-empty string s1, s2, s3 such that s1 plus s2 plus s3 is s. Return the number of ways as can be split such that the number of characters of 1 is same in S1, S2 and S3. Since the answer may be too large, we have to return the modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So, in this example 1, we have 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. If we see total number of 1 in this string is 3, so we can only distribute 1, 1 in each of the 3 string, because with this we have to distribute number of 1s in all the string s1, s2, s3 is same. So, one cut we can cut here and one cut here. So, this is one way. Another we move this guy here. So, this is another way. Then we keep this here and move this guy here. Similarly, we move here and this guy is here. So, total we can cut this string in 4 different ways, so that all the s1, s2, s3 will get 1 at 1, 1. So, this is here the cuts are represented. So, in case if we, like in this example, we don't have number of ones which is multiple of 3. So, if we do modulo with 3 is not 0, then we can't distribute equal number of ones to all 3 string s1 and s2. So, we just have to return 0 in this case. And there is another case, if we have all zeros, so we can cut anywhere. So, the number of places we can cut in this string of n length. So, the length of this string is 4 and the number of places we can cut is 1, 2. So, we have to cut two cuts. So, one cut is this. So, let us understand this over here. So, this will be more clear. So, we have a string 0, 0, 0, 0 like 4 0. So, we have to place 2 cuts and we have 3 places to cut. So, how we will place? So, 3C 2, we will choose 2 out of 3. So, this is 3C 2 which is 3. And let us say if we have a string with 5 zeros. So, in this string we have 5 0, then we have 4 places to cut. So, out of these 4 places we can again choose 2 places where we need to put the cut. So, the number of ways is 4C2, so which is 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial and 2 factorial. If we open this, this will give us 6 ways we can cut this string s into 3 string s1, s2, s3. All of them will have 0 ones. So, this is the case of 0. So, in case of 0 number of ones, we just do this and let's go more in the example. So, this is another example, big example. So, let's understand this example over here. So, if we count the number of ones in this string, first we will count the number of ones. So, if number of ones in this string we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we need to distribute 2 1 to each of s1, s2, s3. So, which is divided by 3 basically, because we need to cut this string in 3 strings. So, this will be each string s1, s2, s3 will get the 2 number of ones. So, as we can see, if we cut first cut, we can cut here and this cut can go till here. So, this is the places we can cut, and similarly this is another string s2 is a part, we can either cut here or here or here. So, we have 3 places to cut in this part, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 places to cut. So, if we multiply these all of them, so this will become 12 places. We can cut this string in 12 ways and such that each s1, s2, s3 has equal number of ones. So, how we will solve this problem? So, for solving, first we will count the number of ones. So, we will count the number of ones in a one variable, let us say 1, and we will check if it is 0. If it is 0, then we will check this first condition. So, this is just simply the length, the n minus 1 C2, and this will be open as like n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 2 number of ways. And similarly, if this 1 is not modulo with 3 is not 0, if we take modulo with 3, because we need to check if it is number of ones is multiple of 3 or not. So, distribute equal number of ones in each S1, S2, S3. If it is, then we straightforward return 0. And in case of if this is number of ones is divisible by 3, then we have to so we will take the 1/3, which is ones by 3. Then there is a way we have to find number of places where the 1/3 count of 1 is there. So, we will start from here again and count the number of ones. Whenever we reach the number of ones equals to this 1/3, we will count those many base, how many ways we are getting. So, we will call that it base 1, and similarly for 2/3, the second string we will call it base 2. So, for base 2 we will take 2 into 1/3, 2 into 1/3, and when number of ones equals to 2 into 1/3, we will increment the count of base 2 and base 1. Once we get the base 1 and base 2, then we will simply multiply this base 1 and base 2. So, let us understand this how we will do. So, here we have 1/3 is equal to 2. So, first we will again start counting 1. So, 1 is 1 here, 1, 1, 1, now 2. So, now this will start counting base 1. So, base 1 will be become 1 here, then still 2, still 2, still 2, still 2. So, base 1 will be counted and base 1 will become here 4. Similarly, after this we will get 3, 4. So, this will be not, and now we have 4 ones. So, we will count the base 2 from here and then this will go here. So, base 2 will become here in this string is 3. So, this is how we will solve. So, let us implement this code. So, for code we will need one variable, let us say it a long variable, count of ones, and this will be initialized from 0, and let us take let's length of the string is also called it length, which is s dot length, and this is, now we need to also define the modulo which we need. So, let us define modulo also as a long variable that does. So, we will represent this like, there are different ways of representation to write this number. So, we can write like this. This is a better clear to easily see how many 0 and plus. So, this is a 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Now, we will iterate through each character C in s dot to char array. So, we have only characters zeros and ones, then we will count the ones by we will subtract C minus 0 character. So, if it is 0, this will doesn't just add the 0, so that doesn't matter, and if it is character is 1, then we will add the 1 in our ones. So, we will count the ones like that. Now, we will check first if ones is 0, if ones is 0, the 0 case, in that case we just simply return the values. So, first of all we have to return integers. So, we will do the typecast to int, because we have everything in long here and all. So, we will get this. So, here we will multiply n minus 1 star n minus 2, and this will be divided by 2. So, this product will be divided by 2, and after that we will take the modulo with mod, and this is, so this we will take the modulo. So, we need another parenthesis. So, this is the case we will return the result in case of ones is 1. Now, let us take another variable long, which is let us call the 1/3. So, 1/3, and 1/3 is ones divided by 3. So, before that we will also check the case where ones is not divisible by 3. If we take modulo with 3 is not 0, then we just simply return here 0, and after that we will solve the case where the ones count is divisible by 3. So, we will again reset ones to 0 to reuse the same variable, and define two more variable, base 1 from the 0 and long base 2 from the 0 again, and then again we will use this for loop itself and iterate through each of the character. And now we will do 1 plus again, but now we will put two condition. If once is equals to 1/3, like this 1/3 we defined here, then we will update our base 1 plus plus, and this same we will use in case of this will become 2 into 1/3, so 2/3 basically, and we will update now base number of base of 2. Now in the end we will return number of base. First again we will typecast, and now we will multiply base 1 star base 2 and take the modulo with mod. So this is how the solution will work. So let's compile the code and see if it is compiling. So it is compiling and we are getting correct answer. Let's submit the code and see if it is accepted. Is judging, and it is accepted. Now what is the time complexity of this solution? So if you see over here, we are iterating a string once here and another once here. So this is 2n, which is O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1. We are using few is like constants. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions still in understanding, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.